Welcome back in. A beautiful Sunday evening on tap. Do you feel the drop in temperatures and humidity? That's a sign of what's to come as we round the corner from July into August. It's going to be a gorgeous stretch of weather, and some of those puffy cumulus clouds have produced some isolated pop-up showers. I want to show you where here on Doppler radar. I'm expecting dry conditions for the Toledo metro and our southern Michigan tier of counties, but looking to the south and east of the Maumee River, a couple brief pop-up showers have been noticed over the last couple of hours, including this one just to the south of Clyde. That red color shows you where the rain is coming down steadily, seeing a bit of a lighter rain near Bellevue, and this one's moving from northwest to southeast in that direction. There is another little shower to the south of New Washington. This is to the south of Willard as well. No thunder or lightning, just some rain that won't last very long. Overall, most of these are going to miss our area, confined to this circled region. Areas like Mansfield down towards Worcester are going to get the brunt of those pop-up showers through the evening. Now, the weather overall much quieter than it was to start the weekend. New details coming in from the National Weather Service on an early Saturday morning EF1 tornado touchdown. That one touched down near Hicksville in western Defiance County, and the wind speeds could have been up to 90 miles an hour. Of course, that is using the meteorological detective work, so to speak, looking at the damage and the impacts, and then using that to infer how strong the winds were. There's the town of Hicksville. This occurred to the 2 miles to the northwest at the intersection of Buckskin and Casebeer Miller roadways. Some more details. 2:53 a.m. is when it touched down, only on the ground for 1 minute, but really packed a punch and unfortunately did a bit of damage. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Remember how I said most of those pop-ups are going to be to the south of the area? You'll see that here as those continue to trend in that direction, moving into central and eastern Ohio by sunset. Turning less humid behind that cold front. Tomorrow's going to be a gorgeous day in the low 80s with a big drop in humidity. Perfect county fair weather. Wood County Fair featuring sunshine and fair weather clouds mixed. Temperatures topping out in the lower 80s. Here's a look at your day. It's going to be bright and sunny early on in the day. A couple more of those fair weather cumulus clouds bubbling up, but not expecting any sort of rain to fall tomorrow. As we head towards the start of August, less humid, plenty of sunshine, and a very comfy feel. Here's the hour-by-hour humidity forecast. That brown color over the Great Lakes shows you drier air that's going to work its way on in. Now, as we head towards Thursday, some of that humidity to the southwest of us, shown by green, is going to start to build back, and that's a sign of our next storm chance. Rain returns Thursday, but the next 72 hours are looking gorgeous. Sunshine Monday. Tuesday's going to be sunny, but we could see some wildfire smoke once again. That smoke's going to be way up high in the atmosphere, should not affect our air quality, and sunny weather continues Wednesday. Humidity returns Thursday, Friday. Those are going to be our next storm chances, but overall, a beautiful stretch of weather and a chance to dry things out for the week ahead.